You look so pretty. Eyelashes? You don't even have eyeballs. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of The Science Detective. Today we're gonna explore a unique and glamorous twist in forensic science. I was recently at a store helping my daughter shop for makeup, and I saw this really colorful makeup palette, eyeshadow palette, and I had the thought, I wonder if I can use that to develop fingerprints. From face powder to brushes, we're gonna see if these everyday beauty products can help us reveal hidden fingerprints. So grab your mascara wand and let's brush up on some forensic science. Bonesworth, I think you have the wrong idea. We're not here to give you a makeover. We're gonna see if we can't use these different everyday cosmetic tools to crack crime, and really just see if we can use it to develop fingerprints, because I am curious, right? Hi, I'm Detective Zack. I'm a real life crime scene investigator. This is my oh so beautiful partner Bonesworth, and today we're gonna look at makeup and whether or not makeup can be used to find fingerprints. First, we need to choose the right items. We have eyeshadow. I'm learning about makeup. We have eyeshadows, some fun colors, some darker colors, and then we have foundation, and we have a variety of cool brushes, like this one, and this one goes along with the fun colors. And then we have a few different items to process for fingerprints. So with all these different brushes and powders, the fine particles in these products might just help us dust for fingerprints like regular fingerprint powder does, because what we're looking for is we're looking for a fine powder that can adhere to the sebaceous oils of fingerprints. So first things first, because just like fingerprint powder, I'm sure this powder gets everywhere and we want to try and stay clean. So we're gonna use those, and let's pick one. Let's do the fun colorful one first, because that's the one I'm super excited about. And we'll take our little you would think that I would cut this before we started filming. Oh, come on. I have a pair of scissors. There we go. All right, so we take our brushes. We have a variety of different size brushes. I'm guessing this one all right, so we've got glass. We have a few different colored pieces of plastic so that we can try different contrast. I don't know how you do this. Do you start with like a big brush or a small brush? I guess we'll try and start with a small brush to get it like powdered. It's already a powder. You can tell that I don't wear makeup, so I don't know what I'm doing. All right, let's try this one. We're gonna do big brush, and we're gonna start on a black background because I want to see if this lime green powder There we go. All right, so we're going to take our surface that we have fingerprints on, and we are going to apply the same technique, going back and forth. Oh, I am getting powder everywhere. It's so, like, fine. Maybe we need more powder. You can never go wrong with taking your time to build up a fingerprint. You can definitely go overboard and use way too much powder, and then you end up destroying your fingerprint. It really is kind of like just building the print up, like a little bit by little bit, and being soft and gentle, because once you destroy it, there's no going back. Not really getting anything good on that one, so let's try a different color. Let's try one of these dark ones on this white plastic. All right, so let's take a new brush, new tiny brush. We're gonna take the white plastic. We're gonna take the black powder. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's like really thick. Okay. Hey, there we go. We just needed a darker powder. Look at that. Oh, that looks awesome. There's some great ridge detail. Check that out. Yes. For science, get a little bit more powder. There's another one. All right. Yeah. CoverGirl True Naked Smoky. Here we go, right? So this this show is not sponsored by any of these products. But now you know that this can be used in a pinch to process for fingerprints. So you can totally solve a crime with some eyeshadow by CoverGirl. Maybe that's their next line. All right, I want to go back to the super colorful ones. We're gonna try it on this yellow one. And let's do blue, because blue would be cool. And yes, okay, cool. I just must have not had really great. That green, maybe it's just too, I think it's too light. At work, normally I don't use white powders or light colored powders anyways. I typically use just black or a biochromatic gray silver kind of color for contrast, because most of the time you can end up getting contrast on any color with black powder and just using oblique lighting. But blue totally pops out against the yellow background. Now the question is, can you see ridge detail? That's even more important. Yeah, there's totally ridge detail there. I could compare that. So there you go. We got some blue makeup. All right, then we got some glass. And we have this foundation. So let's kind of clean this mess up. This is a powder brush. And this powder brush is synthetic and vegan friendly. Good, so no vegans are gonna eat this, or I guess that would mean if it's vegan friendly that all you vegans can eat this. I know what it means. Just kidding, please don't cancel me. All right. So this is L'Oreal, and we have this foundation. Take our glass and that. You can tell I'm a girl dad. I know how to do this. Y'all stand back. Oh, I like this brush way more. It's more fluffy. You can be a little bit more soft with it, and it looks like it is absolutely working. Now the contrast isn't that great just because the glass is clear on a white background. So if I had it on a black background, that might look a lot better, but you can see with good shadows. There we go. And we developed some really good fingerprints. Yeah, so then we would lift these off just like we would any other fingerprint and put it on a backing card. We'd take a backing card and we'd take a picture, and that picture is really what I would end up using to compare the fingerprints to any known source or upload it to the NGI database. All right, we're gonna come back to this black one. We're gonna try the black plastic with some foundation. All right, same way. Ooh, too much foundation. Ah, there we go, okay. Just needed some good examples. The thing I do like about these makeup brushes, and I might actually take these to work with me, is because they're so soft, they're really good for cleaning up if you have a little bit too much powder. So there, you can kind of see, there we go. So you can kind of see we end up developing some decent fingerprints. So today we've seen that a beauty makeup kit can actually help us develop fingerprints. And while it's not a replacement for professional forensic tools, it's a fun and educational way to understand the basics of fingerprinting. I mean, I got all of this stuff at Wally World, or you can order it on, on Amazon. So this is something that you can do at home to learn how to develop for fingerprints. This brush, by far, my favorite brush. So yeah. Beep, beep. All about that. So Bonesworth, what do you think? Are you ready for a career switch to forensic cosmetology? Thank you so much for joining us today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Once again, this one was just a bizarre thought I had while out and about. I'm always thinking about forensic science and different applications that are in the everyday world that I can incorporate into crime solving. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to hit that like button and leave us comments below. Bonesworth and I love reading y'all's comments, and it gives us ideas for future content. Be sure to join our curious crew and subscribe to the channel for future forensic science content, where we do sometimes do some pretty strange things. I'm Detective Zack. This is my partner who is absolutely stunning today, Bonesworth. And until next time, stay curious. In case you're curious, this is my makeup technical advisor. Where are you going? Everything I ever learned about makeup, I learned from her. Seriously, you look lovely. I like the I like the eyelashes. Very, very stylish. He's way more stylish than I am.